All right, guys, got a 2007 Acura TL, muffler, and one resonator delete. Converter there, things are factory converters shoved in up there, flex pipe, and then we took off the mid resonator right here, put 2.5 in its place, left that resonator there, and then went back and then took off both of the rear mufflers right there, and then went back to his factory tips on each side, right there and right there. It looks like nothing was ever done to it. Looks factory still. There's the setup right there. I assume those are the stock rear mufflers. They are. The wand's ringing out, and that's the stock mid behind him, right there and right there. So there it is. Let you guys hear it in a second. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Still fairly quiet. Your sound decibels? At 92. What do you think? Like it?
Oh yeah.
Loud enough?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Like just enough too. Just enough.
But I say you could always take off that other resonator down the line too.
And maybe put like maybe a bullet or something, a Diamond bullet.
Yeah, like that. Let's say that or a vibrant or something like that. And now let's say the other thing is you also have that secondary cat on there that we can replace as a high flow too.
It would make it sound different too.
Yes, and to give you a little bit of performance behind it as well.
I like that.
Yeah, let me slide back here, brother. Sorry. Let you guys hear it on the inside. (2007) Acura TL. Did one mid resonator, left one on, and then did both the rear mufflers. Went back to the factory tips.